Did you know that your phone or laptop could vanish within seconds during security check? And you might not notice it until it's too late. With theft and mix-ups on the rise, especially on busy transits, protecting your gadget is no longer optional. In this video, I'm sharing with you 8 smart strategies with which you can protect your belongings and prevent theft at the airport during security check. So let's get straight into it. But if you're new here, welcome to Peppy Sage. Here we make travel simple and stress-free. Point number 1, make your laptop stand out. And how can you do that? First of all, let's get into a little statistics. TSA recently posted an image on Instagram showing that there are a lot of laptops that are lying there at the airport which were forgotten by the passengers during their security check. So what happens is either it could be, left behind or it could get swapped, because most of the laptops or these kind of electronic devices actually looks the same. And when the passengers are stacking the plastic bins one upon another, there is a lot of chance to miss out other things that are inside there because they are stacking it one by one. And during the pickup point, they actually forget to pick those things during security. So it is always a great option if you can somehow identify your laptop in a different way. What I like to do is put these kind of stickers, like whatever you have or your likings are, or you can also try putting laptop sleeves, which are not very common among the users. When you make your device identifiable, it does not only help in accidental loss, it also helps in identifying it and preventing any kind of swap during the security check. For additional security, you can also put your contact number. You can just label your contact number at the bottom of your laptop so that your identity is not compromised. That brings us to our second point, that is activating tracking system. These days our laptops come with tracking system, so make sure before you hand over your laptop to the security officers at the airport, you have your tracking system on. Whether you are using Apple AirTags or Samsung Smart Tags, these GPS devices could be lifesavers. These are a lifesaver if you have to find your lost luggage or locate your electronic devices. I will tag all the products that I will be talking about in this video in the description box so that you can find everything in one spot. And believe me, when you buy from these links provided in the description, you are supporting my channel. However, you don't have to pay anything extra to buy from those links. So thanks for helping my channel. That brings us to our third point, that is being aware of airport scams. Another crucial point is to educate yourself about the common scams at the airport security. One prevalent tactic is always distraction. The common thing that is done in this, while one passenger engages you with a conversation, the other person from the same team will go to the other point of the screening line and take or steal your belongings. So make sure when you are going through the security check, you have your full concentration of the security process and your belongings. One thing that works for me really well is to count the number of items I will take out or I will have inside the bin. So when you have a number, a definite number in your head, the probability of missing a thing or forgetting a thing behind is very less. So try this next time. Talking about the fourth point, that is knowing the security regulations. Understanding airport security makes half of the work really easy. Small things like electronic devices which are bigger than your smartphone should be taken out of their original packaging and placed on the bin. So these are the few things. If you know all these things, then the security check at the airport becomes really easy. It is also said that if you have liquids or medicine, place it in separate bins. TSA do not tell you to put your valuables inside your carry-on. Rather, put your valuables like jewelries or anything that is very, very valuable and you are carrying it along with you. Make sure you have it in your purse. There is a lot less chance of misplacing or theft of those items. So these are the few things you need to keep in mind. And in case two travelers are traveling together, I would always suggest first one traveler to go on the other side of the screening line so that he or she can wait over there to collect all the things that will be going through the x-ray machine, and you are on the other side with all the items you will keep with yourself. When the other person is ready to look after your belongings on the other side, you can slowly start passing it to the officers, so that while you are on the screening line, the other person from your family could look after your belongings and he or she can collect it on the other end. This is how I do it. Brings us to our fifth point, that is packing smartly. You know, when we pack efficiently, everything becomes so easy. We must know what is inside our luggage, be it a carry-on or check-in. And it is also very essential to know which thing is where, so that you can locate it then and there. At times, security officers can ask you to pull out a device like your maybe an extra mobile phone that is inside your bag or your laptop, and maybe they will ask you to, open it in front of them and turn that device on. In case you don't know, first of all, where it is located, or you have your laptop and it doesn't have any charge. So this could be really difficult. Do you know that any electronic device at the airport security check can be asked to turn on during the security? And if you are unable to turn it on because it is not working or it doesn't have charge, so that could be a problem. You might be pulled out and asked to charge your device, turn it on. The security officers might do a little bit more inspection on some of the devices, and that happens many times. It's also mentioned at their website. So make sure you have all your electronic devices that are charged, you know where are the things, and you have packed everything efficiently. Like put all the electronic cords in a separate bag. I will put these links in the description because I know how useful are these items. And then all the devices are packed neatly inside your carry-on, so that in case they ask you to pull out anything, you can do that without any kind of hassle. Brings us to our sixth point, that is organizing strategically. When placing the items on the conveyor belt, be thoughtful. Start with your least valuable item in your carry-on. This way, your most valuable items like laptop, mobile, or even some valuables like jewelries will be placed at the last, and that will minimize the exposure and time to the other side of the conveyor belt. This approach protects your valuables from theft and accidental damage. I'm not saying that every time it will be theft. A busy traveler might grab a thing which resembles their personal items. So that is why all these points are very important to keep your belongings safe. Point number 7 is staying with your belonging. You don't have to rush through the security check. You can always wait for your bin if you think that the conveyor belt is overcrowded. It's perfectly fine to wait for your bin. This ensures you can keep an eye on your belongings. This significantly reduces loss and theft of your items. Now let's come to our final point, that if something gets missing during the airport security check, what should you do? If you discover your laptop is missing, act quickly. If you are still in the screening area, make sure you tell the TSA officer over there. They can help you locate and check if the item is left behind in the conveyor belt. Utilize your tracking capabilities that your device has to locate it. If you have already reached your airport gate, notify the airline's gate agent. They can sometime contact airport staff to help recover lost items. Remember, having that sticker with your contact number will be really beneficial to find out your belongings. Lastly, if you have already passed the security check and you have boarded your flight and later you discover that you have left behind something or something is missing from your carry-on which you have taken out and put it in the bin during security, what you can do is contact your airlines and give them all the information about your flight number, the place you have departed from, the time, everything, so that they can locate your device or your items in the airport, because all the airport have their lost and found section where items which are lost during transit are kept, and there is a log which is also maintained at all the airports. So make sure you check with the airport and also with the airline authorities. So that's a wrap. By following all the steps that I have told you, you can minimize the risk of theft or loss during transit at the airport. If you like this video, do not forget to give it a like. If you have any question, write me in the comments below. I'll be so happy to help you. See you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.